Welcome to Interlink IQ. In this segment, we will be exploring the Enterprise Management module as part of the free access to interlinkiq.com. First, click on Free Access and proceed to create a free account. Type your first and last name, your email address, and your preferred password, then click on Submit. Once done, it will route you back to the sign-in page. All you have to do is to enter your email address and your password and click on Login. Now let's proceed and navigate the Enterprise Management module. Under the Enterprise Details, you can see here the Enterprise Information, the Enterprise or Business Description, the company logo, followed by the business structure, parent company, certification or accreditation, then the regulatory compliance requirements, and lastly, the enterprise records. For the enterprise information, it's in this section where the facility will be asked to enter the company's legal name, their address starting from the country, the building number or the street number, the city, the state and the zip code, also the company's contact information like their phone number, their fax number, the company's email address, and the company's website. Next is the contacts management for the facility representative. And for the emergency contacts management, in the event of a recall or any emergency concerning the products or the services that the company provides, you may add your emergency contact designees on this section so they will also be notified if there is any food safety event or sort of an emergency. Next to enterprise information is the enterprise or business description. For the enterprise or business description, you can put here the description of the company. So you can put here what the company's mission is and what the company is all about, which is normally the details from the company's website. It is also expandable for your reference. This is also where Interlink IQ starts asking questions. If your company has facilities, if the enterprise has employees, if the enterprise an importer or an exporter, and if the enterprise offer products and or services. Once your answer is yes, this thing populates on the left table. So if you don't have a facility, then the facility section will not pop out for you to fill out. Next is the enterprise process and the enterprise categories management. Just tick mark what the enterprise process is and whichever category your enterprise is involved in. If the category is not listed in any sections, you may choose others to specify whatever it is. Next is the logo management section. This can be used by your team internally in putting it on your letterhead, in your SOPs, your programs, policies and procedures, forms for records, and training materials. We also have the business structure management. You can choose here if your company falls under sole proprietorship, under corporation, or etc. You will also be asked to download a supporting file which can come in handy just in case you'll have a customer that's looking to verify that you're a verified enterprise. Annual gross revenue. This is where you put your gross revenue for you to track. If you have any trademarks, you can put them here. Upload a supporting file in this section, and you can add multiple if you have multiple trademarks. For the parent company, if you're part of an umbrella corporation, your own subsidiary or whatnot, fill this out for the continuity and verification later on by your customers. If you have a D&B number, you can also put it in this section. You would also be asked what your relationship is and what your current position is with the enterprise. All you have to do is to choose from the options listed below. For the certification and accreditation management, this is regarding the certification and accreditation that was acquired by your facility. All you have to do is to choose from the options listed below and upload a supporting file pertaining to the certification or accreditation of your facility. Then we have the Regulatory Compliance Requirements Management. This is where you can upload your FDA and your USDA registration certificates. Lastly is the Records Repository Management. This is where you may add your additional enterprise records such as your tax ID, your corporate documents, partnership agreements, and additional certificates and accreditation records. To add an enterprise record, just click on the Add button. Choose a document file, enter the document title and the document description, then input the document due date. Once done, just click on Insert. This module is fully customizable for your intended process and use by simply contacting services@interlinkiq.com or simply call 202-982-3002.